Hello, little learners. Welcome to our magical forest. Today, we are going to count animals from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here is one squirrel. Squirrels are small animals that love to climb trees. This squirrel is holding a nut. Let's count together. 1 squirrel. Look, there are 2 rabbits. Rabbits have long ears and hop around to move quickly. Can you see them hopping? Let's count. 1, 2 rabbits. Next, we see 3 birds sitting on a branch. Birds have wings to fly and beaks to eat seeds. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3 birds. Now there are 4 frogs near the pond. Frogs can jump high and make a ribbit sound. Let's count the frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4 frogs. Here are 5 butterflies flying above the flowers. Butterflies have colorful wings and drink nectar from flowers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies. Look carefully. There are 6 turtles slowly walking. Turtles have hard shells to protect themselves. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turtles. Next, we see 7 ladybugs on the leaves. Ladybugs are small insects with red and black spots. Counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ladybugs. Now there are 8 colorful fish swimming in the pond. Fish use their fins to swim in water. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fish. Look up. 9 bees are flying around flowers. These collect nectar and help flowers grow. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bees. Finally, there are 10 monkeys playing on the trees. Monkeys are clever animals that like to swing from branches. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 monkeys. Great job! We counted 10 different animals in the forest. Can you remember them all? Keep practicing counting every day.